This segment's going to be called, What is a Willemin? What is a Willemin? Let's check it out. Look at how small and intricate all of these little parts are. Made on a Willemin. Just the tiniest little intricate parts. So this one, 408S2, looks like it's just a little miniature 5-axis with a crazy high-speed spindle. These are filled with oil, not coolant. And they look like they make just tiny, intricate little parts. Tool setter over here. And then a tool carousel, little tiny HSK tool holders, Rego Fix. This one here has all sorts of stuff going on. It's got a turning spindle, it's got a vertical spindle, it's got another turret down here, it looks like. Look at all this.
$42,000 RPM on the milling, 6,000 on the turning, and then 45,000 on the sub spindle.
Oh my gosh. So everything's just high speed. It's tiny, tiny tools, high speed.
Yeah, lighter cuts.
Yeah.
Big horsepower.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. So this is this one over here is more of like a dedicated 5-axis.
Yeah, just pallets.
Not so much of a turning center.
Yeah, you can turn with it, but.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, whatever works for you.
You turn from
the C-axis.
Oh, that spins down there.
Yeah.
Crazy. What's the RPM on that then?
I don't know if it's 6 or I'm not sure exactly. I forget.
It's high. 4,000 RPM.
4,000.
Are you gonna cut apart? Try not to set off the light bridge here. Look at that. Pretty cool little medical part they just got. And away we go. Are these titanium?
Stainless. We're not allowed to run titanium on the show.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Fire hazard reason.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah.
But normally, yeah, we do a lot of titanium. There's parts in the cabinet, a lot of them are titanium.
Are they? Yeah. That's awesome. So this model, the 408 S2, doesn't have a side spindle, but the bottom can be used for turning and as a trunnion. Really cool. So this has got a lot going on. It has a turning spindle, a vise,
And
a sub spindle.
a powered sub.
Oh, okay, yeah. So the vise will turn down, so you can either have the sub spindle or the vise.
Yeah, there's two. You can have 2 vices and a sub, or a tailstock of vice and a sub.
That is
or
so
just a
cool.
vice. There's
That's
different
awesome.
options.
Yeah.
You get like 3 or 4 different position, like spots on there.
Yeah.
You know, if you have like a real specific application for certain things, you can option it.
You'd option it different, yeah. That's awesome.
The standard is a vise and a sub. It's pretty standard.
Okay. Super cool. So will people do like a, I don't know, like a first stop in the actual spindle and then hand it off over to the vise somehow?
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah, the vise just comes up and grabs the part with soft jaws, and then you just either a slitting saw or a turning or
I see.
Or milling. You get different.
So that vise is pneumatic capable, obviously.
It's full pressure hydraulic.
Cool. So there it goes. It just turned down.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. So they're gonna be able to work the side now.
Yeah. So you can come up. There's 2 positions.
That's awesome. You get a 90-degree indexing on that.
Yeah.
How cool. Now is this? Oh, it's not working on something over on the spindle.
No, there's only one spindle.
Gotcha. Yeah.
That's our simultaneous.
Well, it's weird because you wouldn't even notice it if you weren't looking for it down under there. It's crazy. Very cool. So same thing. You said these are like 45,000 RPM?
42,000 on those.
Jeez. That's awesome.
And you can get to like knock it out.
Oh, I see.
Sure
so it's catching in those. It's catching in those chutes.
Yeah.
And then the parts are coming down into. Oh, check it out. There it is.
It's a vise body.
Oh,
Making
cool.
little mini vices.
Yeah.
Comes out complete from bar stock.
That is awesome. So that started as bar stock.
Yeah.
And they even engraved something on it, huh?
Here, yeah.
That's cool.
Pieces from same bar
Oh
stock.
my gosh.
And we just assemble it. With
So is each machine making a component of it?
No, it's making 1, 2, 3 in a row.
Oh, is it really?
Same setup,
So
yeah.
that one machine's making all 3 of these
Yes.
parts.
And
Oh my
engraving
gosh, that is so cool.
From bar stock.
That's way cool. Look at the finishes. I mean, it's just so intricate. So freaking cool. Dang, that's awesome. Jeez. And I mean, just like beautifully turned threads. You can tell everything is super tight.
Yeah, we don't even deburr it.
Unreal. Look at this. This is like a legit functional vise. How cool. That's awesome. So you guys even have over here on the picture a little tiny 308 S2.
Yeah. It's for like, going through like an office door.
Yeah. A full. Got the 508.
We have a 508 version. The X1000 has a live turning turret underneath.
Oh, look at that.
Next.
That's awesome. And then the 408 in the different variations that you guys have here. Cool. Very cool. Thanks for the tour, man. What was your name?
Ryan.
Ryan? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Not very big, probably about 4 feet by 4 feet here in size. Just a little tiny tool, turrets, little pumps. Not a big real estate user. Really cool parts coming out of here.
It kind of looks like something Auntie Betty did. Auntie Betty,
So there's a little tour. Willemin, made in Switzerland. Lots of watchmaking stuff, lots of medical implant type stuff. It's like some little ceramic stuff. There's a little version of the vise. Little tiny. Pretty cool. Alright. Thanks for the tour, Willemin. Let's go check out some other stuff. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I upload lots of machining content on this channel. And head over and check out the video I did at IMTS 2022 on the new Brother Speedio, complete with 5-axis simultaneous machining and mill turn capabilities. I'll see you there.